Every year, more than 1.5 million students chase a single dream, and only a few thousand will make it. Welcome to IIT JEE. Behind these three letters are sleepless nights, missed festivals, and countless sacrifices made before most students even turn 18. For many students, IIT JEE means leaving home at 16 and moving hundreds of kilometers away in search of a dream. Welcome to Kota, the city where millions of dreams are built, tested, and transformed into reality. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, thousands of questions, thousands of failures, thousands of lessons learned every single day. The journey begins with JEE Main. More than 1 million students compete every single year for a chance to move forward. But surviving JEE Main is only the beginning. The very best now face one of India's toughest examinations, JEE Advanced. One question can change your future. One mark can change hundreds of ranks. Every second matters inside that examination hall. Because IIT JEE isn't just an examination, it's a dream that changes lives. And for millions of students, the journey is only beginning.